Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan yogurt at home. First, gather your essential ingredients: a good quality plant-based milk, a probiotic capsule, and a thickener like agar-agar or tapioca starch. It's crucial to sterilize all your equipment, including jars and spoons, to prevent any unwanted bacteria. Opt for a high-fat plant milk, such as full-fat coconut or cashew milk, for that wonderfully creamy texture you desire. Next, gently heat your chosen plant milk to about 180 degrees Fahrenheit or 82 degrees Celsius to prepare it for thickening. Whisk in your chosen thickener, perhaps 1 to 2 tablespoons of tapioca starch or 1/2 teaspoon of agar-agar powder, until it's completely dissolved. Then, let this mixture cool down to around 110 degrees Fahrenheit or 43 degrees Celsius before moving to the next step. Now for the magic. Open 1 to 2 probiotic capsules and thoroughly stir the powder into your cooled plant milk mixture. Carefully pour this inoculated milk into your sterilized jars, making sure to cover them loosely to allow for proper air circulation during fermentation. Place these jars in a warm spot, ideally between 105 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit, for 6 to 12 hours to let the cultures work. Once your yogurt has reached your desired tanginess and thickness, it's time to move it to the refrigerator. Chilling is essential. Allow it to set for at least 4 hours to achieve its final, firm texture. For optimal freshness, store your delicious homemade vegan yogurt in airtight containers in the refrigerator. It will typically last for up to 5 to 7 days, ready for you to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.